Hello, young artists! Today we'll make beautiful lanterns on a scratch card. For that, start by coloring in your sketchbook with crayons. Try using different color crayons to make it colorful. Apply color in small patches. Do not leave any white gaps in between. Color it fully. After that, apply black color on full sheet without leaving spaces. Now, with the help of a toothpick, scratch a standing line like a long number 1. Start from the top. Do not keep your hand on the sheet. Then scratch a number 0, a small circle. Now make a letter U upside down like this. At the bottom, make a slim long rectangle. Then draw 2 standing lines below it. Again draw a long rectangle. Now draw 2 slanting lines joining at a point. Make few lines at the bottom to decorate your lantern. Also draw windows like these inside your lantern. You may draw few circles in the rectangles as well. Decorate it as you like by scratching in the lantern. You may draw one more lantern at the side in the same way. Enjoy!